What resistor do I need for an LED on 5 volts?
For a typical LED, use a 220 ohm resistor on 5 volts. That limits current to about 15 milliamps, which is safe and bright.
This is $40 board. No computer, no phone, nothing else is attached. It knows who I am.
Welcome, Ahmad.
And it does it with internet unplugged, no internet. It can look at something and tells me what it is.
Eyeglasses held in front of a hand.
Hi, welcome to Robojax. My name is Ahmed Shamshiri. In this video, we are going to introduce this Makerfabs 2.8-inch camera LCD with built-in microphone and speaker based on ESP32-S3 and 8 megabyte PS RAM that can be used as AI assistant. And also, it can act as an AI vision. Any item you bring in front of it, it will understand it. I'm going to provide you all the codes. I'm going to show you how to set this up and demonstrate it and get all the codes from Robojax.com. Let's get to it. They've sponsored me to review this product from Makerfabs. This is their website, the product page. You can buy it at $39, and if you use the coupon that I provided, you will get $5 discount when you check out. They have tons of documentation and support for this product. Makerfabs is providing a lot of IoT and fantastic support. The links to purchase any of these items are below the video in the description. Here is the package. And when you buy it, let's have a look at the specs. This is ESP32-S3 dual core with 240 megahertz speed. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it has 16 megabyte flash, and the most important part is 8 megabyte PS RAM, and that makes huge difference. And the screen size is 2.8 inch, 320 by 240 IPS, 5-point touch screen. It comes with OV3660 3 megapixel camera, and it has two INM-P441 microphones, and it has Max 98357 speaker amplifier with 3.2 watt speaker. It comes with 32 gigabytes of micro SD card and micro SD card reader writer. It has built-in RGB LED. It has built-in real-time clock for calendar tracking, and it can operate with battery, and it has built-in battery charger. So this is our board with the display. This is speaker. It comes with 32 gig micro SD card, 32 gig or metallic already installed. We have beautiful 2.8 inch TFT screen, and the camera that comes is OV3660. This is the battery port where you can connect your battery, and on the board also we have RGB LED where you can turn it on and on based on some status, whatever you want. You can remove the camera and replace it if you wish. The camera is already covered. Let's just remove it. This is RTC clock, in case if you want to measure something precisely in terms of time and calendar. The LED charges are in here. We have 2 LEDs, and then we have reset and boot buttons here. This connector is for the display here. One warning before you buy: these 2 little sockets, like free expansion port, they are wired to the camera data line. So if the camera is running, you cannot use them. If you are not using camera, they are 4 perfectly good points. 2 USB-C ports, they are not the same. This one goes through CH340 serial chip. This one is ESP32's own native USB. Use this one, the CH340, for everything in this video. This is ESP32-S3. As you can see on this side, USB D- goes through 33 ohm resistor. USB D+ goes to IO20 also through 33 ohm resistor. Here is the USB native connector, and you can see USB D+, D- are connected through those 2 pins. So the native chip goes through pin 20 and pin 19, as we can see. An A audio amplifier, those pins that you saw, they are connected through 0 ohm or direct connection. DN, B clock, you see they are connected directly to audio amplifier. Audio amplifier, so native USB port is the same as the speaker, and they are used by CH340 port that we use. And if you do want one of this board, Makerfabs gave me $5 discount code for you. It's on the screen now, and it's in description with the link. Use it or do not. The code costs you nothing either way, and it does not change anything I am about to show you. I have a full resource page for this video where you can download all the code, libraries, instruction. The links are below this video in the description. This program, we have snap, we have 3 megapixel. When I switch it, it will be 3 megapixel high resolution, and this is a flip version. So we can take regular photo or 3 megapixel photos. You can see the photo. It's hard for me to record it, and I'm just pressing snap. So let's take photo of this card. I'm holding it so we can see. I snapped it. Let's go to 3 megapixel and snap it. See the batteries and pen. One more. Change this snap. Megapixel photo. And here are the photos that we snapped. Let's have a look at them. So this is the resolution of initial photo, and this is a 3 megapixel. When I was taking the photo, maybe the camera shaking. This is another photo. As you can see, it's much sharper. And this is the other photo with a battery and pencil. And here is the 3 megapixel. As you can see, this area looks sharper, but in here it's out of focus. So this is the face detection. When it detects a face, it makes beep. But let's define face recognition. We have to enroll people first. If I type help, all available option for the face recognition enrollment. So we have to type, we can type list to see them, we can type name, delete each enrolled one, play if there is a audio for that, clear, and help. So let's type list. As you can see, there is no enrollment, and let's enroll names. I'm gonna do name 0 Ahmad, and then name 1 Victoria, and then name 2 Jamal. As you can see, it shows we have enrolled these, but let's check them out. Now we have 3 names, Ahmad, Victoria, Jamal, and enrolled not. If I type help, I've created audio files for those. You can play it. Let's play 0.
Welcome, Ahmad.
Let's play number 1.
Welcome, Victoria.
And let's play number 2.
Welcome, Jamal.
And here are the files. These are for facial recognition. These are the text.
Welcome, Victoria.
And the same way. Back micro SD card. This micro SD card comes with the board. The enrollment, I will press this button. When I press enroll, we see the name. That's Ahmad, so to every person. The second one is Victoria, and then we have Jamal. If I press it back, exits, and it comes to Ahmad. Now I'm gonna look at the camera directly and see what it says. So I've been enrolled now. Photo ready. I've generated using AI. I'm gonna enroll this as Victoria. Victoria, Ahmad, that's how Victoria. Let's see. The image is now not clear because it has some reflection. Oh, it worked. So confirm. That's done. Now I have this image, another person. This is Jamal. So let's go for enrollment. 1, 2, 3. I can see Jamal. So Jamal was enrolled. Now I'm gonna try Victoria.
Welcome, Victoria.
Now I'm gonna try Victoria.
Welcome, Victoria.
Excellent. And now
Welcome, Jamal.
Now I'm gonna try to see if it knows Jamal.
Welcome, Jamal.
And I'm clearing it like that. And let's see.
Welcome, Victoria.
As you can see, it makes mistake as the camera moves and it doesn't see a proper angle, so it makes mistake.
Welcome, Victoria.
So I have to.
Welcome, Ahmad.
Now it recognizes. And now let's enroll myself as Ahmad. So I'm typing enroll. Ahmad is there.
Welcome, Victoria.
So I've been enrolled. Now I'm going to test.
Welcome, Ahmad.
As you can see, it works. And let's try Victoria.
Welcome, Jamal.
As you can see, it makes mistake as it gets closer very quickly, or it can see me. So first I have to make sure that the photo is high and proper.
Welcome, Victoria.
Now it's perfect. Let's try it again. So
Welcome, Victoria.
that's nice. So twice.
Welcome, Jamal.
And it gives, when it sees partially my face, it gives that impression. So the photo is now up.
Welcome, Jamal.
So that's excellent. Let's do it again. And clear it. Oh, the screen was dim. Now.
Welcome, Jamal.
So it works. Amazing. And here is now, this is an AI vision. It knows what it sees through the camera. If I hold an object, it can see a multimeter. Let's see, I'm pressing this button.
A digital multimeter with test leads.
Excellent. Now let's see if it can recognize the Arduino board. What do you see?
A hand holding an Arduino circuit board.
We need two cloud services for this project to work. We need Azure account and we need DeepSeek. Both of these are free, but for Azure they ask for your home address and credit card. They will not charge it. So for the Azure, you just go to portal.azure.com. Go to portal.azure.com. Here, create a new account. Enter your email, enter credit card, and continue. Click create resource, search here, speech service by Microsoft, and click. There is Microsoft, create speech, select the subscription, select the tutorial group, select your region, and name it whatever name you like, because we want to create speech. Tutorial 08, price tier, free. That's enough. Next, 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 and then create. So this is the one. Now I clicked in the search, type key and endpoint, and when you come here you will see the keys. So you need all this information. You need the key, you need the input. So click copy and copy it. If you want to see it, I can regenerate the key. So show keys. You see the key is very long. I can regenerate. The key have been regenerated, so I'm not worried if you see it. Hide key. Now I'm regenerating key 1 and also regenerating key 2. Both keys have been regenerated. Copy it and we will use it. Now let's sign up for DeepSeek. Platform.deepseek.com. Click for sign up. Go to API keys, create new API key, name it, so you will see it only once. Copy it, and you can enter the API keys under the secrets, and here enter your SSID for the Wi-Fi and the password. For Azure, enter your speech key. This is the region that is shown on the screen. For DeepSeek, also enter the API key. Keep this as is. There is a voice assistant demonstration. What is 2 plus 2?
Two plus 2 equals 4. That is the correct answer.
Excellent. Now, what resistor do I need for a red LED on 5 volts?
Use a 220 ohm resistor for a red LED on 5 volts. That gives about 15 milliamps, which is safe and bright.
With a $40, this is the best touch screen with camera with ESP32-S3, 8 megabyte PS RAM, speaker, built-in microphone, and 32 gig memory card. So it really works. There are some issues, for example, with this USB-C. Make sure to use this USB-C. This is not native, and you need to install the driver. I'll provide the driver below this link in the resource page. Other than that, you can use this one, but if you use camera, this will interfere with the camera or with the audio. Also, when you use this as a web, because it uses 2.4 gigahertz, the video, if you use it as a webcam, the video will have some lagging. All the demonstration that you saw will be available on the resource page on robojax.com. The link is below this video. If you like this video, please thumb up, share and subscribe. I appreciate it.